Hey guys, welcome back to Craft Kingdom. This is Urja and today we'll be making diyas. There's still 1 week left on Diwali, but we should better hurry because we have lots of crafts too. And we'll be making diyas. I'll also paste them on a ribbon so you can hang them on your front door. So they're super easy to make, and you'll get I'll be uploading videos regularly about Diwali Craft because Diwali is approaching. So let's get started. So first of all, take the sheets. It has to be of 8 by 32 centimeters. You can take any colorful sheet which you like. Fold it in half. And then fold it like you fold a fan. Fold it in half. Then you have to cut it diagonally from both the sides. So now you just hold the two middle of its sides and you just have to spread it around. And you see that it is open from the ends, so you just have to apply some glue and stick it nicely at the ends. You have to stick it on both the sides and press gently. Then just open it up, apply some glue in the center. And press it nicely so that it sticks together. Gently open up all its sides. It might have got sticking on some of the sides. You carefully have to open it up and be careful that you don't just tear the side which is pasted. And if you want a V-shaped one, you can have the V-shaped one, or either you can do this technique so that you can have an open one. See, now it's in a different shape. In previous one it was in a pine tree shape downwards. Now it is a little bit more upwards, and you can paste it like this as well. It looks like a new beautiful flower. So you can just do this trick for the Christmas. Now it's time to make the flame of it. So I cut it out of flame of the glitter sheet. You can do it of normal paper as well. So I cut it out of glitter sheet. Now you have to be careful where you apply the glue. In this side you can see that it's not labeled up perfectly. The other side is at the bottom. But in this one they are all meeting at one place. So you should apply glue at that place. Apply a small blob of glue and just flip it over and stick it on the candle flame and gently press it. Don't be too hard, otherwise your paper might be crushed. So you should gently press it. Now you just have to wait for at least 4 to 5 hours so that it stick well. And it's been 4 to 5 hours since it's been sticking. It's well stuck and it's looking pretty. Now it's too delicate right now, so you should apply the glue well. So you can just apply it on the other sides as well. like fully onto the paper as well and on the candle flame. This time you have to apply a little bit more glue than the last time, like this, so that it can stick well, and you have to wait for another 4 to 5 hours so that it can completely dry, or if it can take even more than 4 to 5 hours, depends on the amount of glue you apply. So now I let it wait, and now we will make a door hanging. So if you want, you can just decorate it like this also, or you can make a wall hanging. So I have made them in various colors. This one is in pink. These are all really beautiful, and I have made a lots of them. These are just a few, and there are a lot more at back place. So now we will make it in a long string. So let's get started. So I took a thin ribbon, and this is what it looks like finally. I put it some glitter. So now we are just gonna stick it on it. So this is the one which I made earlier, and it's looking really pretty. So let's paste it all. So I choose a thin golden ribbon. You can choose any one you like, and just apply some glue on it. Like this in the center, and keep it straight. It's hard to see the ribbon as because of my table as well. Just take the back part of the diya and paste it gently. Place it well so that it doesn't get disturbed, and gently press it. You also have to fix the final position because it might stick wrong, and just press it gently and just carry on. You can leave as much space as you want in between, and keep on pasting your diyas. So guys, our diyas are ready for the Diwali, and I just pasted them on a ribbon, and that took long that I had just to move back and stand up. I'm not even showing the full on the camera, but they're almost the length, almost my length, and really beautiful. You can just hang it like this on your front doors, and if I show it to you closely, it's really pretty. The Diya is looking really pretty, and I just pasted some red beads in the middle gaps. So guys, it was super easy to make, and if you like this video, share the video and subscribe to Crafting Them. And don't forget, it's Diwali season going on, so new videos will coming every day till 11th of November. So see you next time. Till then, bye.